Using a tethered drone system for security and surveillance, it provides more significant advantages over a traditional drone and fixed surveillance systems. And here's why. We have unlimited flight time. Unlike battery-powered drones that have frequent charging, tethered drones can stay airborne. It's a continuous surveillance without interruptions. We also have persistent aerial monitoring. It provides your eye in the sky for live tracking of events, security threats, or disaster response. We also have the enhanced data security, real-time transmission. So the physical tether provides a direct data link to us, so it reduces the vulnerability of hacking, signal interference. And one thing about the tethered drone system from Hoverfly, it emits no radio frequency. There is no RF signal. We also can have elevated surveillance perspective. It's 200 feet in the air. If you're at 100 feet versus 200 feet, it's a big field of view difference. And it reduces blind spots in large or complex environments the higher we can go. And then we have rapid deployment and scalability. We can do that pretty quick. We're on call 24/7, especially where we're at here. And it's ideal for fixed site protection and event security. Perfect for monitoring high-risk locations like schools, universities, and government buildings. Large-scale events, small-scale events for sports, concerts, political rallies, critical infrastructure for power plants, refineries and bridges, and border security. And then how Struction Solutions uses our advantage. We partner with Hoverfly, which is a military-grade security advantage, continuous overwatch, real-time security, video transmission, and immediate deployment for security and disaster monitoring.